Hey there YouTube, AC here. Unfortunately, the time has come. I am going to get rid of these mirrors. These are the stealth mirrors that I bought, I think a couple years ago now, maybe even more. I did try my best to give them a chance. They look freaking so good, just like that in the stealth mode. But when you flip the mirror over, even with the little convex mirrors over here, let me show you what I'm talking about. If you haven't yet seen that particular video, I'll have a link right up here right now of the installation of these mirrors, and also another video in a little second here of how to install the little convex mirrors. Now these little convex mirrors I'm talking about, and even with those, it's just like the amount of vision you see right over here. So you can see on this mirror, it's like a magnifying glass. The convex mirror gives you a little bit of hope, but yet look at your field of vision. It's like, I think it's like 1 inch, of field of vision to look behind you, compared to a good 4 to 5 inches. You can see the whole back of the bike with this. And with this one, you can't see much of anything. You know, I always have to kind of look at the corner here, and I could just barely see a car behind me. I've had a few close calls when I was trying to change lanes over here on this side or on that side where there was a car there and I didn't even see it. So again, guys, compare safety to a function. These are a no-go. I'm gonna go back to having my stock mirrors. At least I feel a lot more comfortable with these guys. Like I said, look how much field of vision you get compared to that. That's just a little update, just my review, really my update review, I would say, about these mirrors. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove these, put these guys back in. I know they may not look the best. You know, Yamaha did try with styling. Maybe I'll do a carbon fiber wrap, or maybe I'll do a forged carbon wrap on this one. Who knows, you know, or maybe just buy some different ones and kind of mess around with them, and maybe do a different type of video with these kind of mirrors and see if I could change the look, make them look a little bit better. So just want to kind of give you guys an update. It's going to be a little short video, and that's going to be too long. So, yep. All right. Out with these new, in with the old. Alrighty, guys. We are back to the old mirrors. Wow, it's been such a long time. It almost looks like a different bike. Yes, they stick out like crazy, but you know what, guys? I'd rather take function over form any day, as now I've already experienced those other type of mirrors. As you can see, you guys already know how the stock mirrors look like. I don't really need to show you. But yeah, just a real quick video of my review update of those mirrors. Again, guys, I really did try to adjust. I just can't. And, you know, so for me, safety is the #1 priority over trying to look cool. Well, guys, just a quickie. If you liked the video, smash the like. If you dislike it, smash the dislike button. Leave me a comment down below why you dislike the video or why you like the video. Any other questions, leave them down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next review.